It's a quick video of these Fox 2.0 IFP internal floating piston bump stop installation. These are really nice as opposed to the Kings because you just take off the bottom and that's where the Schrader valve is to play with the nitrogen. So I got 13.5 inches of travel out of it. It's Evo long arm high clearance kit. Really happy with how this came out. TIG welded everything because the MIG wasn't working very good, so it was a little bit of a pain. And then just removed the bump stops, popped the shocks off, took the coils off, ran it through its cycle. Smacks perfect, dead center. Here's the driver's side. You could see full droop, the axle sweeps over to the passenger side a little bit. Plenty of clearance on my gas tank. Some people's drive shaft starts to run into the gas tank. Another question I had was, should I put the extended bracket on or cut all this off and make a new bracket for a better roll center? It's got an Evo track bar on it right now. And I don't think I need to, but to be honest with you, clearance is not an issue. This thing pockets up perfectly. So I could run a 2-inch taller track bar bracket if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. This thing handles perfect. It's a non-issue. There's the other side. Welds aren't perfect. I don't have a adjustable pedal right now, so I was basically using scratch start. So that wasn't easy, but that's how that looks. Finished product. See it from the back. For those of you who want to do this, not too bad. Wasn't too big of a project. So you remove the factory bump stops. Just 2 little welds, cut them off. I used a 2.5 inch cutoff wheel on an air tool, die grinder, and then I used a Sawzall to finish it up, and then a chisel and a hammer. And then you measure inward towards the center of the car as per the instructions from Fox, 3/8 of an inch from the center hole. Drill a pilot hole. I always use a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill that, and then a 2 5/8 hole saw. Boom, ha, done. Then I use a 1-inch barrel sander to just clean the hole up because there's an extra piece of sheet metal inside, like chassis material, just on the outside. So I missed that with the hole saw, so I had to hand that out. And then driver's side, I just leaned the hole saw to the outside of the car and got it perfect. There you go, guys. I would suggest using this Synergy track bar support brace bracket too. For example, my front track bar, the track bar bolt holes are ovaled out, so I am gonna have to weld washers on there. So this would act like weld washers. So I would get out in front of that and put that on before you have any issues. If you got big tires, bigger 37s or 40s, 100% it needs that. And then I haven't popped this off yet. This looks like 3/16. So this may need weld washers on it in the future, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it till I pop that off and do some maintenance. All right, y'all, there you go, over and out.